Let me write this quotient rule out. The general rule. So this is known as, let's spell it out here for you, the quotient rule. Okay, this is how the quotient rule goes. We're given some function f of x. We have a function in the top called h of x. Then a function in the denominator, we'll call it g of x. So we want to find f prime of x. So we take the derivative of the numerator, and the derivative of h of x is h prime of x times the derivative, or times the denominator, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. Sorry if you're hearing some background noise. That's a noisy sister of mine, and I mean noisy. G of x and I'm going to put brackets around this set of parentheses, but then you just take the denominator and you square it. Alright, so this is it. This is the general rule. This is what you need to keep in mind right here. Okay, so let's work another one. So let's say that we have, I'll use some different letters this time. Let's say we'll use t. Alright, the function, we'll call it s, and we have 10 over x squared. So yes, you could take this x squared into the top and use the power rule, but we're going to use the quotient rule on this. So we're going to take the derivative. First I'm going to write this, s prime of t. I see a mistake I made here. So used to using x's. That should be a t right there. Okay, sorry about that. So the derivative of the numerator, so derivative of 10 is 0, times the denominator, minus the numerator, times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2t, and it's all over the denominator squared. And of course we want to clean this up, right? So we say s prime of t is equal to, so 0 times t squared is 0. We have, I'm going to take this negative out front. We have 2 times 10, that's 20 t. That's all over. Now I'm going to go ahead. We have t squared raised to the second power, so we multiply powers. So that becomes t to the fourth. And of course, by examining this, we can actually simplify this down. It looks to me like, because we have a t up here in the numerator and 4 of them down here in the denominator, we could simplify that down to 20 over, whoops, I need to get rid of that. There was 1 up here, 4 down here, so this becomes negative 20 over t to the third. Good enough.